So today we're going to be unboxing the SodaStream Terra with these three delightful flavours: Pepsi Max Cherry, 7up Free and Pepsi Max. And we've also got two extra SodaStream bottles. So Finn's going to help me do this, so let's unbox. So we're going to unbox the actual SodaStream now. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. I slid the receipt in earlier. So it's really good. At the moment in Sainsbury's, it's up for £110, but with Nectar offer, it's down to 70. That's what we've got here. The instruction booklet, and then, oh, there we go, the SodaStream gas canister. What else we got in here? The SodaStream bottle, and then the actual SodaStream itself. There's everything in there. So I've got Finn helping me. So Phil, do you want to take the plastic off that for me? So it's a SodaStream Terra. Take the plastic off for me. There we go. So it's quite nice, quite tidy. So it's the worktop. Just slides underneath there. So I think, I have to look at the instructions, but I think the gas canister goes in the back there. Then you press the button down to set it off. So let's take a quick look at the instructions and see how it works. So the instruction booklet's quite straightforward. Getting to know your machine, fizzing the magic moment. So inside the box you have the machine, a bottle, and the Quick Connect SodaStream CO2 cylinder. So as it says here, carbonation button at the top, snap lock system, and then there we go, cylinder handle, and it all goes in absolutely perfectly. So it comes with one of these 1 litre bottles, and what we've done is we've actually bought a couple of extra 1 litre bottles. They were in the range for £14.99, so that's those ones there. And we bought those just so when you've got a bottle made up, it's just not going to just sit there. So, how to prepare: you scan the QR code. You can scan that QR code now if you want. Take the top off, open the back cover, lift up the handle, bottle in, snap down, back on. Excellent. Next step: fill your bottle up to the line with cold water. Always fish your water before adding any flavours. Make sure your bottle rest is out. Bottle in, no need to screw. In. Snap it into place. Press firmly down the carbonation button and hold the button for 1 second to release. Repeat 3 times for a standard fizz, 5 times for a strong fizz. Pull the bottle out towards you. Ideal. Fizzy time done. And all very straightforward. Okay, so what we're going to do is snap open the back like that, and that just folds down. Okay, and then we just have a look inside. It says you have to lift up this piece here, and that drops down. So now we're just going to open up the bottle, and it says it just open this bottle up. Oh, I'm not got any fingernails. There we go. Open the bottle. Oh, and the plastic cap comes off. So this bottle here goes into the back like this, and it just slots in here like this. Now to put it in, as you push down, it puts it up and locks it in place. Then you pop this back on here, onto the lip, back up, and it's in. So now theoretically the SodaStream is ready. So, cold water from the fridge, filled up to the fill line. Take the top off. Phil, you hold for me? Yep. Hold the camera for me. Okay, so we slide it up like this, and then slot it in place. That's in. Right, 1 second. And then we do it 5 more times. So Finn, ready? 5 more times for 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So theoretically, here you go. We should be able to pull this out.
Ooh.
And that should be our fizzy water. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the Pepsi Max, I think, and give this a little go. So, let's have a quick look what the instructions say. Like this, and then we're going to fill it up to the fill line inside in here. So this is your Coke syrup. Fill it up like that, and then we tip it into our bottle like so. And there, just give it a quick agitate, and there we go. We have homemade Pepsi Max.
Wow.
So let's give this a pour. There you go, Finn. My little taste tester.
Tastes just like Coke.
Just tastes like Pepsi Max.
Exactly the same.
So I just remembered that I actually didn't film an outro. Look, you know, we whizzed up some Pepsi Cherry Max, we whizzed up some the 7-Up Zero. It was great. Really had good fun with it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, and if you love it, hit the subscribe button. And remember guys, tomorrow is another day.